Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, then enter YouTube app. Press the screencast button and select your TV. Now when devices are connected, you can cast any video you want from your smartphone to TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.